I see we have a lot of kids in the audience, so we want to take this moment to give a very powerful message to the kids. Kids, if you want your mother, your father, your teachers, the Keep Your Dream dance team to stay proud of you, don't mess with cigarettes, no. Drugs, no. Or alcohol, no. Because it is not good for your bodies. And ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind, there is only one race in the world, and that is the human race. This is why we must all learn to live together and be more civilized. Watch him.
Come on, man.
Watch him. Put your hand like that. Go it out. Go it out. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, watch him. Watch him. Clap, clap, clap. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Clap, clap, clap. Okay. Walk it out. I swag it out. I swag it out. Ooh, I say what's up. Hey, I back it up. I back it up. Okay. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Run it out. Run it out. This is the easiest part, white chocolate. The easiest part. You got this. I jump it out. I jump it out. I jump it out. Whoa, you got this. Easiest part. You got this, white chocolate. Woo! All right, now you're going. You got it. You got it. It's the easiest part. Oh! Easiest part. Oh! Easiest part. Oh! Whoa! Make some noise for white chocolate! Kid, you are amazing. Do you know that? What's your name? Jace. Everyone say hi, Jace.
Hi, Jace.
Everyone say you're amazing.
You're amazing.
Oh, yes. And now, the part that you're going to love. Watch him. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you, we appreciate you so very much. Thank you for helping us motivate the future to stay on a positive path. That motivation was excellent, but we want to make sure that he feels financially compensated with this $20 donation. Everyone, he made his first $20 doing something positive and legal. And legal in the streets. Make some noise for the future ones. Now, Vaughn, let's get the volunteers back to the original position. It's time for the grand finale, the most dangerous part of the show. Everybody take 2 steps closer to the cones. Here we go. We want everyone to see it. It happens one time, happens fast. Ladies and gentlemen, the cameras, bring them out. Everyone, get your cameras out. If you're Asian, get ready for photo now. If you're white, get your Nikon 5Ds and Canons ready right now, okay? Get ready to take the photograph. Thank you. If you're black, get your Snapchat out, you feel me? Or your Kodak. Wind it up, it's disposable, you feel me? And then for all my Latinos out there, si se puede. All right, kid. Right here, stand right here. Now, all we have is Obamacare. So this is why we had to give you your compensation right now. Hold it with 2 hands, as high as you can into the air, until the end of the show. You're on the clock, and you work for us now. I see we have a lot of kids in the audience, so we want to take this moment to give a very powerful message to the kids. Kids, if you want your mother, your father, your teachers, the Keep Your Dream dance team to stay proud of you, don't mess with cigarettes, no. Drugs, no. Or alcohol, no. Because it is not good for your bodies. And ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind, there is only one race in the world, and that is the human race. This is why we must all learn to live together and be more civilized. Round of applause for this beautiful message, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much. Thank you all so very much. We appreciate that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready to see us take this jump, everybody say yeah. Yeah. You ready to see me risk my life? Everybody say yeah. Yeah. You ready to see me die? Everybody say yeah. Oh, he said, hell yeah, what the hell is wrong with that guy? Ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very dangerous. So we understand right now, if we do the grand finale first, after we get up and we bow, hey, you're all going to leave. Yep, this is the streets, and that's how it goes. So we understand that right now is the most convenient time for us to come around and collect any and all available tips and donations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have any donations, that's okay. Please stay and look at our grand finale. It's going to be amazing. There is no other show in the world where they go ahead and they give $20 to the kid for setting a good example. Kid, high five. I'm very proud of you. Keep your dream and style with the ease. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have a 20, we'll take a 10. If you don't have a 10, we'll take a 5. If you don't have a 5, hey, go get a job. Or if you got a kid, send your kid out here. We'll give him a 20, and you can work it back out. We'll figure it. You see what? I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just playing with y'all. No, but seriously, I see a lot of people taking dollars out. But keep in mind, if you give us $1, we have to split the donations up evenly, and that's gonna be like 50 cents. And it's gonna be really hard to tell my girlfriend I only got 50 cents from doing all this stuff outside. And now, ladies and gentlemen, seriously, at this time, you do not have to come to us. We will come to you. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, you have nothing to be afraid of. All we have are these very small bags. We're gonna try to fill them up all the way to the tippy top. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have any money, just touch the bag like they do in church. It will look like you gave. It will look like you gave. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, represent.
My first $20.
Oh my, yo.